Welcome back to our channel, where today we're taking you through a comprehensive tutorial on how to use Jasper AI. Jasper AI is a powerful tool for content creation and marketing. We'll walk you through the steps to get started.
Jasper AI is an advanced AI content creation tool that allows you to generate high-quality written content with minimal effort. Jasper AI can be used to create various types of content, including but not limited to social media captions, blog posts, product descriptions, marketing copy, emails, real estate listings, video scripts, personal bios, etc. First things first, let's get you started on your content creation journey with Jasper AI. Step 1. Create an account. Just head over to Jasper AI's website and create an account. It's quick, easy, and your gateway to a world of content possibilities. Now that you're all set up, it's time to tailor your content to your needs. Jasper AI makes it a breeze. Step 2. Select a template. Jasper AI offers a variety of templates for various content types, from website content to social media posts, even ad copy. There's something for everyone. Once you've chosen the perfect template, it's time to let your creativity flow.
Google
Step 3.
Ads.
Enter
now,
your content.
as you can imagine, we're going to
Whether
go
it's a
through
catchy
again
product
and add
description
all
or a
of our
punchy social
information.
media post,
If you're wondering,
simply
ProDrive
enter
is
your
something
thoughts
I
and
just had
ideas
AI
into the
generate for
template.
me, and
Jasper
apparently our new
AI
product
is here to
is
transform
a
them into
launcher.
captivating
So
content.
here in the examples,
Now,
I can actually
here's
say,
where the magic
hey, I think
unfolds.
this is a good option. So
Jasper Art. It's not just about words. Jasper AI also provides an incredible image creation tool called Jasper Art. Get ready to create stunning AI images using text-to-image and image-to-image functionalities. Your visuals will be as captivating as your content. To make the most out of Jasper AI, here are some additional tips. Be clear and concise in your instructions. Use relevant keywords and phrases. Experiment with different settings. Combine Jasper AI with other tools. From text and image AI generation, Chrome extensions, autosave, document sharing, multi-user login, plagiarism checker, brand voice customization, everything is available at Jasper AI. So what you waiting for? Get your hands on Jasper AI 5-day free trial with 10,000 word credit. If you like it, then go for the starter pack or boss pack as per your needs. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Bye!